You're off.
Pretty moving. Yeah.
Thank you, Tree, for holding up my bike. Nice little campsite here. And we have a big climb today, over 1,000 metres vertical climb. So it's going to be a few hours riding up the bitumen. Anyway, let's crack on. Grab a quick coffee to go in Khancoban, and then we'll be on the road for day 9. Nice flat bread. So it begins, up the hill. A little distraction, farm life. See that big hill up there? We're going up there somewhere. Kosciuszko National Park, here we go. This is pretty much the view it's going to be for the next few hours. Just slowly grinding up. Settling for the long haul. This is a bit more pleasant, I must say. Bit of shade in the trees, temperature's dropped quite a bit actually, and a nice little breeze. Life is good. So we're not far from the top. The first big hill of about 400 metres. Not much different is happening except from just kick those legs over and over and over and over again, and slowly watch the road disappear under the feet. One little technique I use when I'm climbing like this, I just look at a leaf a few metres in front of me, ride past that, and find the next one, ride past that, keep it close. Makes you only think you've only got 1 or 2 metres to go. Just keep doing that all day long. I know what Tim's climbing trick is. I think it's just keep it consistent and don't try too hard, is that right?
Yeah, just keep spinning, keep it easy on the legs.
Nothing's easy up here. So the first climb's completed, and we had a little bit of descent, and we're straight into another 10k climb, another 600 and something metres vert, another one just like the other one. And there's Mr. Consistency Legs here. How we going, fellas?
Good boys, how are you?
Loving this hill?
Loving it, my favourite ever hill.
What we call gourmet bikepacking lunch. Peanut butter, sea salt chips on rice crackers, because that's all I had at the shops. Or you go for Tim's custom made cheese and bacon flatbread. Riding for a bit, walking for a bit, riding for a bit, walking for a bit. There's about 1.3 k's to go, and that might be the second big one done, which would be nice. Beautiful day on the bike though, blue skies, little breeze. Good crew up on the hunt too. It's one of the things I love about this is lots of other riders along the way. Say good day, bit of banter, bloody good. Does not look a little bit deluxe at all.
Oh, that's not bad.
Well done, lads.
Right.
I'd lay down in an ant's nest. Probably. Yep. Yes, I did lie down in an ant's nest. That was good. It was still on me. Maybe there's another one here. Probably should stand up, I suppose. That is the Tuma Dam. Stunning part of the world. So there's less than 1k to go on this climb. I'm pretty cooked. I don't know what the view looks like behind me, but I can tell you right now it's freaking awesome. Barely a breath of wind, bit of cloud cover. Could not have a better day for climbing in the high country. Are you kidding me? Look at that view. Here boys, I'm just going to pull over and have a look at this.
Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's fucking out again. I can't be your ass rocket.
It's coming out of the rim.
I think, oh yeah, maybe. Seems to put pretty much straight up though.
That's good. It's doing its f***ing job, Tim. You guys will probably go faster than me down here. I'm just going to cruise. Cruise it down. So we just came down 800 metres and now we're going back up 800 metres. So we'll just add that on to today. That's all right. Birds are going absolutely nuts out here tonight. It's close on 7 o'clock. Oh yeah, almost 1400 metres of elevation today. A few more k's to go. Boys are ahead of me just a little bit riding. Seem to keep up pretty good walking today. I'll just keep doing this for a while. Not far. Over the top of this hill, then down into 3 Mile Dam. If you like these videos, you're enjoying the series, please hit the like button. It'd be awesome if you could subscribe, chuck us a comment, anything like that. Hunt's hard work. Doesn't mean it's not rewarding, no way. Word to the Great Dividing Range.
Take it behind. Long day of climbing. Some cool scenery.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We are at 3 Mile Campground and look at the sunset out there. Massive day, but really good to be here. Something like a 48k cruise into town tomorrow, which will be lovely. And body is starting to fall apart a little bit, but that's to be expected. And we got nice big bright reds in the